Well, Rashmi Rocket did seem like a hurdle-free sprint to the finish, distracting from the topic that is hyperandrogenism. Rashmi Rocket tells the tale of a female athlete who is exposed to peer jealousy, institutional patriarchy, and gender test as she journeys to the top, sprinting against the odds. But even with all its limitations, it does touch upon some mooted points, some of which are outdated but are still very much alive. Alive enough for you to watch Rashmi Rocket. The film vaguely takes its plot from the real-life story of Dutee Chand, an athlete who was accused of being a man, took the athletics world by storm, won the case, and marched on to bag 2 silver medals in the 2018 Asian Games. Quite a ride, isn't it? Well, so is Rashmi Rocket, when it largely shares consensus with Dutee's struggle to compete again and is well documented, making it a great subject for a film. After watching the movie, if not everyone, at least a few of us might have learned the concept of hyperandrogenism, and we can expect people to talk about it more often. The next reason why you should be watching Rashmi Rocket is because it talks about the status quo of institutional patriarchy and gender biasness of the system. While we are not strangers to this plot, even Rashmi Rocket has portrayed it to tick the boxes of contemporary realities. Out of peer jealousy and personal vendetta emerges the significant shadows of rules which rule the lives of female athletes not just in India but beyond. Because you can't really miss the paraphrasing of how the rules are set by the International Athletic Federation and not India in the movie, this literally and metaphorically reminds us of Kester Semenya, Santi Soundarajan, who are the remnants of this very system. Where the argument certainly ends with, you didn't question Michael Phelps and Usain Bolt, then why question us? One last thing which makes it a must-watch movie are the infamous media trials. It's true that no lectures on conscience can make the media do their job, but Rashmi Rocket puts an intense magnification on the mainstream media and the narrations of female athletes. Hence, after watching the movie, you will be left with many questions. And no matter how routine the plot might be, the film is definitely about the monumental victory of human rights and will leave you with a bit more knowledge than before. Taapsee Pannu is easily the best thing about this movie. She has ensured that the audience experience all the emotions the film carries. Defeat, pain, humiliation, and yes, last but not the least, the feeling of victory. Go watch Rashmi Rocket, what are you waiting for?